This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jerry MacArthur. Welcome to this charming home with a newer roof 2023, impact glass and doors, and solar panels. AC 2018. If you enjoy gardening, this home is for you. Plant enthusiast will enjoy this large fenced-in backyard with flowering plants everywhere. Yard also has a large star fruit tree shading the yard. The backyard shed is wired for electricity, making it an ideal space for a workshop or playhouse, previously used as an artist's studio. The home is conveniently located within walking distance of the Bonita Springs Public Library, ice cream shop, and Riverside Park. With 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, screened-in patio, and 1 car garage, this offers ample space for comfort and entertainment. This charming home needs a new owner to make it their own. The deed indicates that the owners of Orange Creek subdivision hold an undivided 1/70th interest in the community boat ramp. Perfect for a small boat for fishing, kayaking, or just a relaxing day on the river. For more information, review the details below.